So I'm in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma for work, and it's always hard finding nice hotels in, I don't know, in random smaller towns. And this one was actually surprisingly like really nice. So we're at the Towneplace Suites in Broken Arrow, and they upgraded me. I had a one bedroom, whatever, and then they upgraded me to this. So I have to show you how big this place is. I feel like this is bigger than my old apartment. This is the little kitchenette area. Look at how cute this stove is. It has like a little oven and everything. Then a microwave, like a little fridge. There's a dishwasher and all this stuff. Um, and my allergies are bothering me, so don't mind my sniffling. But this little living room area, it has like a couch and a chair, and then a table. Like I could even put papers in there or whatever. And then I didn't know until I got in here there's two rooms. And I mean, this looks like a king size bed to me. Has its own little closet. And then the second room right here. So I have to decide which room I'm sleeping in. And to me, this bed looks like it's been less slept on. So I might do this one, and it's right next to the bathroom. So like, this place is so huge. I really wasn't expecting much. But yeah. So really nice size hotel. I honestly wasn't expecting much because the last time I went into a work trip, it was like really ghetto. So I don't know, pleasantly surprised. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this space. But yeah, just wanted to share. So this is my third night in the hotel, and I don't know, staying here kind of reminds me of when I used to have an apartment by myself. I was talking to my husband, and I think this is actually bigger than any of the last two apartments I stayed in before I moved in with him. And it's kind of nice having such a small space because it's like efficient. Like, I'm just sitting here on the couch in this little living room thing, and like the little kitchenette is right there, and the TV, and then like the rooms are down there, and like my shit is like everywhere. But you know, it's like efficient. And then here's my mess, but there was, you know, enough room that I can feel comfortable, but at the same time, it's like I can just go from room to room really quick and get what I need. And I mean, not that I clean anything, but it's just like such a smaller space to clean than, like, I don't know, in our house now. Don't get me wrong, I love our house, but I guess it's kind of nice to switch it up every once in a while. I do feel like yeah, it was really cool that they upgraded me. So thanks again, Marriott. I don't think I even have like that great of a status right now, but I kind of wish I had more time to enjoy the amenities. Like, I thought I was going to be able to go to the gym and stuff, but we just had such long days at work that I get tired in the morning and I can't get up. So yeah, it was, I don't know, it's a cute hotel. I honestly was expecting worse. But being here in Broken Arrow, it's such a cute town. Um, yeah, like, I would not expect it from Broken Arrow, but definitely recommend if you're passing through, or you'll be in the Tulsa area. It's just such a cute little town, and everybody here is like so nice, and there's surprisingly a lot of pretty good food here. But yeah, we're leaving tomorrow, and I have to drive back the 3.5, 4 hours, but it shouldn't be too bad. But it'll be nice to be back home with my baby. But yeah, just thought I'd try vlogging a little bit more so that I have more content to post. But I think that's it. Okay, bye.